Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Ali. I'm doing well. How about you?
Fine, thank you.
I'm fine to self shop you.
I want to improve my English. Can you help me?
Of course. The best way is to practice every day.
What should I practice first?
Start with listening. Listen to English conversations, podcasts, and simple videos.
Should I watch movies too?
Yes. Watch movies with English subtitles. They help you learn new words and correct pronunciation.
I understand some words, but I forget them quickly.
Keep a small notebook. Write 5 to 10 new words every day. Write 5 to 10 new words every day.
That's a good idea. What about speaking?
Speak English every day, even for 10 minutes.
You are right. Practice, practice makes perfect. I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning.
How can I improve my pronunciation?
Don't worry. Mistakes are part of learning.
How can I improve my pronunciation?
Continuous practice.
Continuous practice is the key to success.
Listen carefully. To Telfity. Listen carefully and repeat after native speakers.
What is shadowing?
It's a technique where you repeat what you hear in real time.
Repeat a sentence immediately after hearing it.
Should I read books?
Read simple stories every day.
What about writing? Write a short paragraph every day.
I will certainly try my best.
Sometimes I don't know the meaning of new words.
Use a dictionary and practice the pronunciation too.
How long will it take to become fluent?
Practice every day. You will improve little by little.
Can I learn English in 1 month?
Well, it takes time, but you can make great progress.
You can improve a lot, but fluency takes time.
Thank you, Emma. Your advice is very helpful.
You're welcome. Keep practicing every day. Good luck.